Downstairs bathrooms. So looks a lot better. A few spots still, like right here, but down there. But this looks a lot better than what it was before. Trying to 3-tone color. So let's keep turning that. Here we are the inside of the toilet bowl. Took a little bit of scrubbing, but we got all calcium off that. Nice and clean. Okay, so the bathroom downstairs. Same thing. 3 colors. Middle piece 1 color, and the other piece another color. Just piece 1 color, just a little bit different color. But looks a lot better than what it was. Seeing our dolls, all this took about a couple hours of scrubbing. We got all calcium off the tub. So nice and cleaned up. It was on the very thick from this leaking. Change cartridges on this thing. I was able to use the short cartridges on where the long cartridges were at. See around the shower head. So looks a lot better. Looks a lot better, not leaking anymore. See our toilet. Toilet bowl. A little bit of scrubbing in the back one. A little bit of elbow grease. Get a calcium on it. It's all gone. Alright, I think that's it.